Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our very young student who is currently pursuing his second semester of Masters in Environmental Sciences from BHU. So we have with us ATMAADEEP Ganguly, who is a very young fellow and he joined A.S.S Science Foundation in the live online program in his first semester. And this story demonstrates that how the correct guidance can change your thought process. So he was working with us and he's preparing with us at present. And at the same time, he had keen interest in research. So while working with the expert faculties and having keen interest in the subject, he expresses the interest in doing some good research. So for the same, he was trying everywhere. So he is presently the student of BHU second semester environmental sciences. Before that, he did his BSc in microbiology from Ramakrishnan Mission Vivekanand Centenary College, which is a very good institute. So in that series, he basically got a very good opportunity at BARC, which is Bhabha Atomic Research Center, which is a very prestigious institute in India. So he got a fellowship, right, to work at BARC to inculcate his scientific interest in research and academics. So on such a remarkable feat, we would like to congratulate our student ATMAADEEP Ganguly for the same and wish him good luck for the future academic and research journey. At present, the institute is offering various courses such as UGC NET-JRF offline program, live online program, correspondence with video program, only correspondence program, and as well as test series for June 2025 and December 2025. The institute is offering GATE Ecology, Evolution and Environmental Science and Engineering also for GATE 2026. Institute also offers CUET PG preparation for life sciences, biotech, IIT JAM, and various fields in the life sciences. The institute also offers comprehensive program for research proposal writing and interview preparation for all the prestigious institutes across the country as well as abroad. So those who are interested in getting the success in one go, they can reach us as early as possible. Once again, we would like to congratulate ATMAADEEP Ganguly from BHU Environmental Sciences, who have got the good opportunity to work with Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Thank you.